folks, thanks for tuning in. I'm NoCode, and you're watching the TheNoCodeTech on YouTube. Just a quick follow-up video. We've been trying to smash rechargeable batteries, nickel metal hydrides and lithium ions and such into the AA battery tray that fits into the Yaesu 818 or 817 series, and we've not been having good luck with that. I did order another one of these from HRO. It's like 20 bucks plus shipping. I also ordered a pair of snips for other videos for the solderings. These are the Hako, whatever's. But so we got two of these now, and I did take this and get in there and do the snippies and took out this centerpiece. It's not very thick. It is compared to my fingernail. It's just a wee. So I took that out, and I'd figure we should see if the batteries fit in there now. So let's give it a whirl. Okay, so we have our modified battery tray without the centerpiece. Fits in the radio fine. Let's start off with the IKEA Latas. These are the 2450s. Let's give it a try. Now right off the bat, dang it. These are going in quite a bit easier, almost what you would expect from smacking AA's in. And where's the button? Hey, look at that. It's just that simple. It works. And you can see how snug that is in there. You can spin them. Oopsies. So yeah, the Latas work. Amazon Basics. Let's try these. Are the high capacity, also nickel metal hydride. So we got those in there. Look at that. Fires right up. 9.7. Now, nickel metal hydrides do have, to the best of my understanding, and I could be wrong because I'm just a no-code, but they do self-discharge. So some of these have been sitting in my battery box for a while, so they might not be up to full charge, but the point of the matter, thing that excites me, is that they fit easily. You don't have to fandangle. Good game. You don't have to fandangle, mess around with it to get it to work. They just work, which is what I was going for. EBL 2800 milliamp hours. They seem to be working well enough. They do. Some of them have damage, like you can see right here. It's a little bit of damage on that, but I'm not going to fault the manufacturer for anything like this, because, well, I've been using them for things I probably shouldn't be, and I've been cramming them into tight holes and sharp edges of metal, trying to get it to fit, and that's backwards. Fires right up, 10 volts. Cheapo energizers. How nicely those go in there. Fires right up. Let's try the EBL 2300s. Also nickel metal hydrides. Wait, did I do that right? No, that's wrong. Let's fix that. No, it's just snug right in there. Boom. Okay, and I've saved the best for last, or at least the one that I'm most hopeful about. The EBL lithium ions. We'll see if those fit. Once again, with the EBL, there's quite a bit of damage on a lot of these batteries, but I'm not going to fault EBL for that. I'm using them in applications that they were probably never meant to be used in, and cramming them into battery trays with sharp metal edges, and yeah, so far they seem to be going in pretty easy. We'll see on the last row. That's usually where the problems arise. Should probably order some more of these just to replace them with new ones that aren't all messed up. Those went in really nice. They're nice and loosey-goosey. Nothing too tight. Look at that, 11.7 volts. Probably get full power out of this. So there we go. And that's it, guys. If you have a 818 or an 817 and you want to try using some rechargeable AA's that don't fit into your battery tray, Get yourself a pair of clippers. I'm sure toenail clippers or your wife's good scissors. Just don't let her catch you doing it, or whatever it may be. Take out this here centerpiece. Give yourself a wee bit more room. Batteries seem to fit, and she seems to work. That's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.